This video will guide you through reviewing an investment management agreement. Investment Management Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since both asset managers and clients want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received an investment management agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing an investment management agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for investment management agreements. Investment management agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms and conditions under which an asset manager will provide investment services to a client. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Scope of services. Ensure the agreement clearly defines the investment services to be provided, including any restrictions or specific instructions. Fees and compensation. Understand the fee structure, including management fees, performance fees, and any other charges. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, especially securities regulations. Termination and renewal. Check the terms for terminating or renewing the agreement, including notice periods and any penalties. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review an investment management agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Investment management agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the asset manager and the client are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of services. Review the section that specifies the investment services to be provided, including detailed descriptions, restrictions, and any specific instructions. 3. Fees and compensation. Check the compensation structure, including management fees, performance fees, and any other charges. Make sure you understand how and when payments will be made. 4. Performance benchmarks. Understand the benchmarks and performance objectives that will be used to evaluate the asset manager's performance. 5. Reporting requirements. Review the reporting requirements, including the frequency and content of performance reports and meetings. 6. Termination and renewal. Review the terms for terminating or renewing the agreement, including notice periods and any penalties for early termination. 7. Confidentiality. Ensure the agreement includes terms that protect confidential information shared between the manager and the client. And 8. Dispute resolution. Check the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your investment management agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review an investment management agreement is $250 on a flat fee basis. This is based on dozens of recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing an investment management agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the investment service and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.